This is Keith Hudson of SharePoint Mastery. Come to www.spmastery.com for free lessons on SharePoint. In this lesson, we're going to talk quickly about editing documents in a SharePoint 2007 document library. This is fairly straightforward, but I want to show you a couple of tricks. If I'm in my shared document library, and this is using the Internet Explorer browser, and I hover over the title of my document, the Edit Control block drop-down arrow appears, and I'm given a number of choices. I can edit the properties of the document. I can edit that document in an Office application. In this case, it's a Word document, so I'd be able to edit it in Word. I can check it out. I can start a workflow on that document if workflows exist. I can send the document to another location, an email, put it into a document workspace that I create, download a copy. I can create an alert for myself. One of these documents is a text document made in Notepad with a TXT extension. If I try to edit that document, I'm given a warning that files can harm my computer, and the system will now actually open that document in Notepad, I believe. We'll find out here in a second. It doesn't pop up nice and quickly as if you're working from your hard drive. Two reasons. The document is actually being saved, held out, stored out on a SharePoint server. So your computer has to communicate with that server. But the other thing that's happening is for Office applications, there are special programming instructions contained within SharePoint that tell it how to launch the application that created that document. For Notepad, those special instructions don't exist, and so it becomes a little trickier. There's the document in Notepad. I'm going to close it, and let's try opening it again just to see how quickly it opens up. Again, I have to say Edit Document. Now, because I have two screens on my computer, it may, click through the warning. I'm now watching my taskbar to see when that comes up. And it's not yet up. There. Now if I click on it, oops, I just clicked it closed, didn't I? There you go. So it takes a few seconds. If you just click on the title of a TXT document, a document built in Notepad, and you ask it to open as read-only, it's going to actually just open it as an HTML page in the browser. Sometimes that might actually be helpful, just so you know. Now let's look at how to edit in other browsers. This is the Firefox browser. If I try to open a Word document, it gives me the choice of opening it with Microsoft Office Word because that's the default on my computer, or it may give me a choice of doing it with another document, another program. Let's see what happens in Google. Let's open test document 2. It downloads it the way it would ordinarily, sorry, this is Google Chrome. It downloads it as though it were a regular download file, and then I have to open it from here. And so I've opened it over on my other screen. I'll close it again. Google Chrome gives you the choice of telling your system to always open files of this type. So if I now try to open it again, it does open it up automatically in Word. In Opera, I get the same kind of dialog box that I got through Firefox, that I have a choice of what application to use to open it. I hope this lesson has helped you understand how different browsers open documents from a SharePoint document library. Come to www.spmastery.com for more free lessons on SharePoint.